Men are all alike.
In what way?
They're always bugging us about something or other.
Can you think of a specific example?
Well, my boyfriend made me come here.
Your boyfriend made you come here.
He says I'm depressed much of the time.
I'm sorry to hear that you're depressed.
It's true. I am unhappy.
Do you think coming here will help you not to be unhappy?
In 1966, the MIT professor Joseph Weizenbaum developed a computer program that could imitate a therapist by asking open-ended questions and responding with follow-ups. The computer program was called ELIZA. ELIZA is considered to be the first chatbot in the history of computer science. Although the word chatbot didn't exist then, it was coined by Michael Malden in 1994 to describe conversational programs such as ELIZA. Now, these programs are known as chatbots. Chatbots are still in their early stage of development. They come in 3 different levels of capabilities. Menu-based chatbots are the most simple type of chatbot available today. These chatbots operate as a decision tree presented to the user in the form of buttons. Every time a user makes a decision, the chatbot navigates them to a submenu, narrowing down the answer choices until the ultimate answer is found. Menu-based chatbots are great for FAQs, website navigation, or basic customer support inquiries. Chatbots based on keyword recognition function similarly to search engines. The user types in a word or a phrase, and the bot matches it with a predefined response. The biggest downside of keyword-based chatbots is that they do not have the ability to understand the context of the question.
Alexa, I need medical assistance immediately.
I added medical assistance immediately to your shopping list.
Chatbots powered by artificial intelligence, AI, are the most advanced conversational programs. AI chatbots are programmed with NLP, natural language processing, which allows them to understand the context of the question and ask follow-up questions to acquire additional context. Since NLP is a form of machine learning, AI chatbots that interact with users on a regular basis constantly self-improve. They learn various pieces of information about each user by tracking patterns in data. There are several tools available on the market today that allow you to build your own chatbot without a single line of coding. You won't need to learn any programming or sweat through any complex technical tutorials. TDO Chatbot Builder is the tool we'll be using today. You can use this tool for free unless you want to unlock some of its premium features. We will create a few simple TDO chatbots on a WordPress website. TDO chatbots are powered by artificial intelligence with natural language processing. If you invest enough time and creative effort, you can enable your chatbot to provide the best possible user experience to your website visitors. The visitors will communicate with your chatbot by typing messages in real time rather than choosing from predefined options. However, you may realize that in many situations, having a decision tree structure for your chatbot is the best solution. You can build a variety of menu-based chatbots using TDO. Before you start building a chatbot, you need to think about its purpose. What scenario will it serve? How will it interact with your website visitors? In this video, we will be building 4 different TDO chatbots on a WordPress website. Welcome, FAQ, a chatbot for collecting visitors' data, and a chatbot based on natural language processing. Let's start. First, you'll need to create a free TDO account. Then, install and activate the TDO Live Chat plugin on your WordPress website. Now, click TDO Chat on your dashboard and log into your TDO account. This is the TDO Chat panel. To go to the Chatbot Builder, click this icon. You can add a ready-to-use template or build your own chatbot from scratch. We will be building from scratch. This grid is our workspace. This is where we will be creating our workflows. Each workflow represents a chain of events. To map out our events in the workflow, we will be adding these nodes and connecting them together. Let's take a closer look at the nodes. They come in three categories: triggers, conditions, and actions. A new workflow always starts with a trigger, something the visitor needs to do to activate a particular chatbot scenario. Once you have specified your starting point with a trigger, you can add and connect the actions that should take place after the trigger has occurred. The actions need to be connected in the chronological order. The most common basic scenarios consist of just a trigger and the following action, but you can also build more complex scenarios by using conditions. Conditions will allow you to target or skip a specific element. For example, if you use the day condition, you can set it to equal to Friday. Then you can create a message such as Happy Friday. Once you activate this chatbot, every visitor who lands on your website on a Friday will see the Happy Friday message. Let me show you how to build 4 simple chatbots.
Sad movies always make me cry. Said he had to work, so I went to the show alone. He turned on the lights and turned the projector on. Just as the news of the world started to begin, I saw my darling and my best friend walk in. Though I was sitting there, they didn't see. So they sat right down in front of me. And when we kissed her lips, I almost died. And in the middle of the color curtain, I started to cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me cry. So I got up and slowly walked on home. And Mama saw the tears and said, "What's wrong?" So to keep from telling her a lie, I just said, "Sad movies make me cry." Oh, sad movies always make me cry. Oh, sad movies always make me Sad movies make me cry. Thank you.